Okay guys, today we're metal detecting a park in California we're visiting, and I didn't think this park was very old, but I was detecting near the base of this tree, and I looked down there, not that deep, I don't know how, maybe a couple inches, but I just popped out my first V Nickle, 1910. What? I'm shaking right now. I didn't even think it would, I thought it would be a pull tab. But it's a V Nickle, you can see the V on the back. That is awesome. It's 1910 right there. That's awesome, my oldest nickel. Found in a park. That is epic. We'll keep hunting and see if we can find anything else. Square Nail just popped out this, and it's a old nickel. 1941 you can see there. And I don't believe that, oh, it does have a mint mark. It has a D mint mark right next to this pathway. And I have a pretty good signal about 10 feet away from this. Let's hope it's something old. Guys, we are back. We are actually in California right now. It's about 3 weeks since I found that V Nickle that you just saw. And well, we're at our grandparents', and it's about like 6:20 right now, and we're gonna hike to a camping site. I'm not a camping site, a home site in the field over here, and it's in the middle of the field. So we're gonna metal detect our way over there. And guess what I have today? I have the small coil on. I just got it actually yesterday. So this is my first ever hunt with the small coil, and let's find some good finds at this house site. We found some pretty good finds. It's a type of horseshoe or ox shoe. See the tacks? It's like a piece of jewelry.
It looks kind of like a flower.
See the tacks are still in that?
My first axe head.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Ever harmonica read. All right, now let's get swinging. Okay guys, we are now at the sort of location. We're actually there's a old stump right there. Square Nail's right there. Well, around the stump it's all like soil, so it's really soft ground. But I found this, and it's actually an old bullet, it looks like. Hold on, I'll turn it. See, it's hit something, I think. See, it's like a little cone. It's kind of hard to see. I thought it was a rock. It's pretty old, so we'll keep hunting. Rang up in the 40s of the AT Pro. Down there pretty deep, too. Sweet. Alright, guys, we're at the location now. You could tell it's weird because it's all green where the house site is. And there's a post right there. So the house site is in between this post and there's the stump down there. Well, we've dug several holes. None of them were worth filming. Like a bunch of flat iron, down like a foot. And I actually got something good. This is actually a salt shaker lid. Whoops, I dropped it. Ran out pretty good. Well, guess who's right next to me? Square Nail, and he has got something amazing also.
We don't know what it is.
Well, it looks really cool. That's not a rock, is it? Hold on, let me just...
Sure.
It's down there.
Wait, let's just make sure with the pro.
Yep, it's definitely metal. And it almost looks like a rock though, also. Look at this. And see, this is what we have to be dealing with. They're like needles, and they're everywhere. Hold on, you don't want to mess it all up. Where'd it go? Oh, it's down here. Down there.
Alright, okay.
What is it?
We're waiting.
Is it a pipe? No, it's not a pipe.
It's not a pipe.
It's weird.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah, like I was saying, this it's like all needles, and so if you kneel down in it, it really does hurt. And there's, hold on, there's a bunch over there.
Okay.
So let's see if we can get this signal out.
Okay.
What is that? It's not rock. Yeah, it's definitely, hold on, whoa, it's like a spike, a brass spike.
Oh, it's coming out. No,
Let's see. It's like a spike.
Oh, it is a spike.
Whoa, what is that? Oh, is that a plumb bob?
Yeah.
What is that? It's brass.
I wonder if there's any
Oh,
more
it's got
pieces.
screw stuff on there. That's pretty darn old, though. I don't know what that is. Yeah, we scratched it a little
They
bit.
shot that out of a bullet.
No, I don't think so.
No. Is that piece off a light?
I don't know. Maybe off a clock, you know. Maybe I don't know.
Pendulum?
Yeah. That's pretty cool. You know, hey, this area, we found a lot of good stuff.
You should focus here.
Yes. Well, you can see, here's the house site right here. But there's also these bushes. So, you know, that would stand out. So we went over there and detected. But you see that tree wide over there? Yeah, I want to detect that also. And see, like, maybe they would sit under there. There's a couple coins for us to find. Well, we'll keep swinging. See if we can find anything else. Alright guys, so I've got a solid 64 signal right here. And this is where I found that salt shaker. And it's actually in the plug. Not everything here is in the plug because they're all
Deep.
yeah.
Probably the other side of the salt shaker.
Yeah. That would be cool. Or something. Let's see if we can. Ooh, you see that? That's a rifle casing right there.
Yeah. You
see it?
Yep.
That's pretty darn cool. That's gonna be really old too. Wow.
That's a real old one.
It's pretty hard to see on there, but I think that's an old stamp.
Yeah, it is.
Wow. I don't know, I think that's a rifle casing. I don't think it would be this short. I think there would be another piece to it. But hey, that's pretty good. Not that deep. Easy to recover. And we saved it from the dirt. Well, we are detecting around the house now. We, out in the field, we were out there for about an hour and a half. And we found not the best finds, but some okay finds. So we were detecting around the house. We found several cool finds around the house, such as like a DQ token. What else? Old watch, ring, bunch of coins. But I just found this. It's an old grommet. I think I hit it there with the shovel. But that's pretty cool. Down there not too deep. We'll keep hunting. Alright guys, it seems like I have a coin ball here. In this little clump of dirt. Let's see. Oh, you see that? That's a really crusted up zinc penny, I believe. Wow. I think it's a zinc penny. Wow. Looks like it's been a fire. Wow, I don't know what that is. I'll have to clean that up. It could be a button. That's pretty cool. I think it's a zinc penny though. Huh. Well, we'll keep hunting. Square Nails got the first old coin of the day. And it's a nickel. From 1956. That's awesome. See if there's a mint mark. And it looks like there's a D mint mark right there. That's pretty cool. Awesome find. Let's hope to find many more. I hope to find some silver. Alright guys, it looks like I just found a old sledgehammer or a hammer of some sort. See, this is all hollow in there. And there would be a handle. That's pretty cool. It's pretty heavy. Probably like 6 or 7 pounds. So that's pretty cool. Down there, not too deep. Well, we'll keep swinging. Alright guys, I was detecting in this dirt and I've been down there, I don't know, like 4 inches. Look what came out. It came out in this little ball, and I saw the back, and it's a wheat penny. That is awesome. I haven't checked the date yet.
Today.
Ooh, it's old. Oh, I think it might be 51, it looks like. I found 1951 last time I was here.
Huh. You're winning. Mine was...
Yeah, I believe it's in 1951. I have to clean up a little bit more. Awesome. First old coin of the day.
Well, I found it.
Well, second old coin of the day. Let's keep hunting. There's still a lot of land to cover. Alright guys, I was digging right here, and I've got another old coin, it looks like.
Nope.
Ah, memorial! I think it's gonna be in the 60s. But hey, we're finding coins. Square Nail's got a quarter down here. You wanna get out there and check the date?
87.
87. Sweet. I think that might be our second ever quarter ever found here.
Yeah.
Yeah, down there pretty deep to be an 87. So, we'll keep hunting. Alright guys, it looks like I have a quarter down here. And I'm right next to where Square Nail found his quarter about 30 minutes ago. So I was just swinging past here. See right there. Looks to be another quarter. Looks like an 87. Nope, 81. 1981. Wow, that's pretty cool. We'll keep hunting. That's 25 pennies. Alright guys, it looks like I have a tip of a rifle casing or something. I believe it's gonna be a rifle casing. Right there. Gotta pry it loose. There it goes. Oh, it's not. This is the tip of a pen. That's pretty cool. Nice. Maybe from the 60s. But hey, we will keep hunting. I picked up a couple pennies along the way and a brass thing, but this is pretty different. So we'll keep hunting and see if there's anything out here. Alright guys, I just wanted to share this because I dug a big plug right here. You know, this is about 5 inches down here. And like 5.5. But I was getting this good signal ring up in the 80s. And look, there's a dime. If I fold this down, that's about 5 inches. So this coil, this small coil, goes pretty deep for how small it is. Because it's all like powerful and stuff. So let's get this dime out. I don't think it's silver. Who knows? It could be. Whoop. It's been there a while. Let me see if I get the date. 1977. First dime of the day. Hope for many more. Now I'm listening for those deep signals and find some coins. Okay guys, we are back metal detecting again because we were taking a little break, but I got a really good signal. I knew it was deep, and if you look at the very bottom of my plug right there, there's a rim of a coin. Now, see here what this is. Oh, it's a memorial. It's gonna be I think it's a 1964. So that's like over 50, it's like 55 years old coin. Year-old coin. Down here pretty deep. Awesome. We'll keep hunting. Well, it looks like I have something brass in the hole. Right here. I don't know if it's a spoon or something. Put it in there. Ah. What is this?
Spoon handle.
Yeah, I think so. No? I don't know. I don't think it's supposed to be bent. Huh. It's old. It's heavy too. I think it's brass. But we'll keep hunting and see if we can find anything else. This is our third day here in California. And, well, yesterday we did detect, but we only found a couple quarters around the house and nothing too amazing. But we are detecting out here in the middle of the field. You can see some cows. There used to be an old house site over here. There's a square nail over there. Well, I just found this. And it was ran up like a high 60s on the AT Pro. And I believe it could be a buckle or a brooch. But this is really cool. I believe it's made out of copper. There could be some more. It was down there, I don't know, 4 inches. That's really cool. And this is old. This is like 30s, 20s and the teens, early 1900s. But that's really cool. Really ornate. Wow. Let's keep hunting and see if we can find anything else. Wow. Alright guys, I just dug this hole. This is 2 holes from when I found that like ornate piece. And I just dug a shotgun shell, which is pretty old. But look at this, guys. It's my first thimble, I think. Yeah, I'm positive. Yep, this is a thimble. Wow. It's not crushed. Normally these things are crushed. Wow. That's awesome. Let's see if we could get some of this dirt out. I didn't scratch it or anything. Sure is. I think it's aluminum or copper.
Oh, it has
some writing on there.
Let me go away. Oh, I can't see it. It says like timber or something.
Wow, that's awesome. My first ever thimble.
Well, you're finding the stuff. I haven't found anything.
Well, this is actually the house site is over there, kinda. And so we're detecting like the outside, like around the house where they're losing stuff. Oh, you took my head. And I found my first thimble. Not crushed or anything. Sweet. We'll keep hunting. Alright guys, we are freaking out right now. Because look, I just dug this hole. I thought it was going to be some junk or something. But I just popped out. I thought it was a token. But look at this. Alright, it's all bent up. I don't know if I hit it with the shovel or anything. But guess what? It says hunting license number right there. State of California, $1, expires June 30th, 1909. What? And guys, this is, oh my word, this is crazy. 1909. It's like a token or something. Wow. That's one of my, I think this might be the best find of the hunt. Wow. That is awesome. Down there really deep. I thought it was just going to be some can slaw or something, but it was this. Man, I'm going to put this someplace, I'm going to put this somewhere special because I don't want it to break or anything. Wow, that is awesome. Square Nail's digging a really good signal also over there. And the star thistle, which is really spiky and really annoying. Yeah, and he said it was ringing up in, what was it?
85.
85. And you couldn't pick it up too far in the air. So it was going to be small. Something smaller. But wow, this is amazing, guys. Oh, and I wanted to tell you guys this. But here's my tackle box. See, I have the thimble in here. It actually says, it says something thimble. It's like a company. But you know this coin I said that I thought was like a zinc penny? Well, it turns out it's silver. It might be a silver dime. You could see the edge right there. And
I got something.
You got something?
I got something.
What is it?
I don't know, but I got something.
You got something.
What in the world? Is that a jar? Is that a jar in the hole? What is that?
See all the start. Ouch. Whoa. What is that?
I don't know.
All right, hold on. Let me get the camera. You don't want to scratch it.
I know. I'm going to cut off this side.
Hey, my finger's right there.
Okay.
Whoa. Hey, don't scratch it. Don't go too deep.
Is that
Yeah,
good?
that's good right there. Holy cow. Is that a pocket watch or?
I
A lid
I'm
of something?
just gonna pop right there.
Yeah, get that dirty right off there.
So I can.
I don't have my gloves on. What is that? Is that a lid? Hey, come over here and pop this right here. Don't scratch. It started this one. Ah, there it goes. Is it another one of those tokens? No. Oh, it's a piece of a pocket watch. That's so cool.
That's cool.
Turn around. I don't know if it has any writing. Might have some initials, but hey.
We already found a piece of pocket watch here.
Yeah.
Oh,
that's my silver dime. But wow, that's pretty cool. Could be off a clock also. But hey, so we're gonna keep detecting here. Well, I don't know if you guys know, but you could tell it is really smoky. This is actually smoke because there's a fire about 10 miles away from here. So we can only be out here for about what? Oh, sorry guys. I was zoomed in all the way. I'm sorry. But yeah, like I was saying, it's really, really smoky. And so it's not really healthy to be out here. So we're only allowed to be out here for about an hour. So we only been out here for what?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. Yeah. So we will keep hunting. Let's find some other great finds. And we'll bring you guys along. Alright guys, we are headed back to the house now. But this, I'm detecting right by the stump. And look what I just found. Where is it? Right here. It's an old pocket knife. Down there, pretty deep. See, there's a brand right there. But it's really old, I think. Look, it's falling apart. See, here's some more pieces that I think that's part of the wood. Another piece. Here's like the other tip. But that's a really old one. Hope it doesn't
like be prepared.
Yeah, the brand's right there. It almost looks like it has like a saint sign or something like that.
And the wood looks really cool.
Yeah, I don't think this is real wood. It's like, yeah, no, I think it might be. Yeah, it is real wood because here's a piece off of it. Wow, it's been down there a while. This small coil picked up just fine. I love this small coil. It goes pretty deep. It picks through all the iron. I really like it. It's only like my 3rd day using it. So wow, we'll keep hunting, see if we can find anything else on our way back. So yeah, it's getting pretty hot out here, and I'm pretty sweaty. So let's keep hunting. Okay guys, here's the wrap up. Out of 3 days of metal detecting, we metal detected a couple different sites, but they're all on my grandpa's property. So I will do my finds first, and I'll start down here. So down here I've got a plow that they would use in like their garden or something like that. Here's some junk. This is a thing that on a faucet, outside faucet, piece of brass. I don't know what this thing is, but I've got this sledgehammer. It's pretty heavy. It's a couple pounds. See, there's dirt in here, but I could put a handle on that and use it. So I've got this little thing. I don't know what it is. Is it like a buckle or something? I've got this. I found at the house site in the field. It's brass. This grommet. Some change. I got a couple quarters in there, a dime, a couple dimes. I found around the house. A salt shaker lid. My first one of them. A pen cap. An old shotgun, a couple of old shotgun shells. I forgot what the brand was on this one. UMC or something like that. And I found that at the house site in the field, all these shotgun shells. I like this red or pink color on these. But this one's a UMC also. This one's like a REM UMC, which are pretty cool. I found this little rifle casing. It should have been bigger, but it's all like, I don't know what happened to it. A couple of old shotgun shells. Rifle casings. I'll go up here where the best finds is. I found this awesome pocket knife, and you can see the brands right there. It's kind of hard to see it though. See, here's some pieces of the pocket knife on the other side. See, it's all, I don't want that to fall apart. That's a really cool, that's one of the coolest pocket knives I found. I found my first thimble. See, it has some writing on there. It says thimble right there. I couldn't read the other stuff though. I've got this, and which I love finding ornate stuff like this. I just absolutely love it. Looks so cool. I believe it's a buckle, but if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments. Really cool. I was really happy to find this. And then, like, right after I found this, I found a shotgun shell, then this, and then a couple holes later I found this, which is one of my favorite finds I've ever found. It says hunting license there on top with a number, state of California there in the middle, $1, expires June 30th, 1909. And I have done some research on this, and this is a hunting license that they got in 1908. And so they could hunt like a year. And for only $1. And like nowadays it's like well over $1. It's like $75. I don't know. I don't really hunt. I fish. This I thought was a zinc penny, but after I rubbed on it a little bit, I noticed that it was silver, like this silver color. Hold on. Let me see if, yeah, I see that. You can see the rim, that it is a coin. And so I tested it on my silver tester, and it turned out to be positive silver, 90%, which is a silver dime, which is really cool. This is my third ever silver dime, but too bad it's in this condition. Not so pretty. I've got this awesome V Nickel I found a couple weeks ago, which I only did that hunt was only like 20 minutes, so it wasn't really enough to make a video. And then I've got this, and this wee penny turned out to be a 1958. So last year they made wheat pennies, which, you know, it's awesome even to find a wheat penny. I forgot, I think this might be my 20th wheat penny. I don't know how many. Oh, and I found the teaser, 1959 not wheat penny, memorial. The first year they made memorials. So these are all my finds. That was a really fun hunt. A couple days of hunting. I had a blast. Now let's go over to see what Square Nail found.
I found tons of coins. I think 20 coins.
Found like 4 quarters in there.
Yeah. And I found this odd spike.
Yeah. We're still not too sure what it is. Let's see it on the top there has some screw things.
Some rifle casing. This one's a repeater 1901.
Yeah, and I believe they made those from like 1901 and 1915.
Yeah.
So it's a really old shotgun shell. And then this, I just wanted to, can I see this for a second?
Yeah,
it's way bigger. Well, I don't know if it's a rifle casing or...
It's a big caliber.
Yeah, but you can see it is way bigger than a rifle casing. Sort of hard to do this with one hand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like a WCF 45.
It's a weird brand, yeah.
Yeah, or something like that.
Yeah, a weird caliber or something.
And then I have my pocket watch guts.
Yep.
Yeah.
That would be cool if I full one. And he said that there might be a brand. Huh?
There's like, wait, where is it? I saw it. It's right here. It says CYMA, and it has a cross above it.
So I don't know if that's a brand or.
And then there's more writing above the cross, but it's hard to see. Just figure that out. Yeah, and then
Can't really see it with the camera.
And then I have this piece. It has writing all over it that we can't really see. It seems to be like a piece of fireplace, like the brand maybe.
Yeah. This actually turned out to be a pull-out lighter.
Like,
You would pull them out, and then
see, there's where it pulled out right here. And flip out, and then you could light.
and then you can replace like the flint and also like the fuel in it. So that's really old and really cool.
And I got my other lighter. And who would have thought to find one lighter? Found two?
Yeah.
Here, this one's really cool.
Yeah.
It's super old. There's this rock that's keeping this whole thing in place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is, I think it might be off a pipe or something.
Or a mason jar lid.
I don't know.
And then
To the good finds?
yeah, I have a 1941 nickel that I found at the V Nickle hunt when Sterling Silver found the V Nickle. And then I have my other nickel from 1956.
They found around the house.
Yeah, wait, does it have a mint mark on it?
Yeah, it's a D mint mark.
Where? Oh, yeah, D. Yeah, I have 1959 D.
Yep, we always find those teaser coins around that house. So that's all of our finds. If you enjoyed this hunt, please start watching the rest of all of our videos. We have several of them. Go check them out. Go visit my channel and be sure to hit that bell right next and subscribe. And hit that bell right next to the subscribe button so you get notifications when I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions or anything like that. And we will see you guys later. Peace.